Sub Pyros, about to do a firework stash part 3. I'm filming this on the actual day of the 4th of July. I'm doing a quick run through. I did some few pickups, some bang bang pickups, and some, First off, I got some sparklers, Purple Rain, and Piccolo Pete's from TNT. All of that cost me 45 bucks. Crazy. Next, we're gonna go to the TKs. Got a whole case of these TKs, 25 shots. You get 12 in a case. These are bangers for sure. Louder than Big Match and Soundcheck. Next, we're gonna go to the canisters. Right here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 Cobra Kai shells. This one is lit like 6-pack, so I already lit that. I have a whole case of Cobra Kai's. Then right here, I have a 24-pack of these Cock Awaken shells. These are Bang Bang. If you know, you know. Hell yeah. And then right here, I have a 24-pack of these Raccoon shells, 5-inch cans. Alright. Right here, I have some little firecrackers, just whatever. And then right here, I have some 5-inch Rambles, Bang Bang. If you know, you know. These are Bang. Then right here, I have some loose shells. Dark Side, Cobra Kai, and Green Lantern. And then right here, I have 4 packs of Green Lanterns. So basically a 24-pack. These are super crazy loud. Best, not the best. I'll show you which ones are the best for now, 2022. But these are crazy loud. If you can find them, pick them up. Please pick them up. I don't care where. Just pick them up. Next, I got 3 packs of Don't Panics. And then I got a pack of Hot Cocks. Hot Cocks are the same thing as Cock Awakens. I'm not sure if they have tail though. Cock Awakens, they do have tail, but I'm not sure if Hot Cocks have a tail or not. But I got 3 packs of Don't Panics and 1 pack of Hot Cocks. Now the moment you guys have been waiting for, saying about which ones are the loudest salute cans this year for 2022. Dark Side. I got 4 packs of Dark Sides. These things are crazy loud. I already demoed them. I compared them with GLs. If you guys want to go check that out, go check out my YouTube channel, Dark Side versus GLs. Them things go hard. They're crazy loud. Way louder than, a bit louder than Lanterns. But either way, both of them are good pickups. So I pick up either one, but definitely Dark Side's the win. Right here up the top, I got these like mini soda cans type of shit. They hit like soda cans. In my opinion, they hit like soda cans. I'll do a demo of these. These are crazy hitters. The size of them aren't big, so I can't call them a soda can, but they hit like soda cans. So just keep that in mind. I'll do a demo on those. Then right here, I got 1, 2, 3 family packs of this Go Stupid pack. I already did an unboxing. If you guys want to go check it out, it'll be in my YouTube channel. Check out my YouTube. A lot of good content right there. Then right here, I have a Jungle Rocket just by itself with a bang on tube. And then this year, I only got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Jungle Rockets. These are Crazy hitters. Best rockets out there. So far what we've been through. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead into the cakes. Right here. We got Angry Bird, 25 shots, Color 2 Salute, Brandon Smartass, board size, decent tubes, not bad for its size, 25 shots. Next, we have Jose Can You See, 36 shots. This is a nice cake. Love it. Big star. 36 shots. It's a hitter for sure. Sorry to pop this little one. Next, we have a hitter. Heavy ass cake. This cake is crazy, my boy. Ghost and Goblins by Bandejo. BDH. Just 35 shots. Can't wait to pop this today. First time having it. I could have got it last year, but I lagged on it, so yeah. But this is a crazy hitter for sure. I love the whistle to it. I'll definitely do a demo on this, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least, we got Zeppelin. I mean, my bad. Halen red wrap. I love the red wrap better than the green wrap. I don't know if there's a difference, but I've seen the demo. I don't know. The red wrap just seems more colorful, and the salutes look a little bigger, in my opinion. But this is Halen, 64 shots. Yeah, this is a hitter for sure. I like the wrap it on this. Crazy cake. I'll do a demo on this too. So stay tuned. So yeah, that's my full stash of 2022. Let me know what you guys think. I didn't get a lot of cakes this year, but I did get some little bangers. So yeah, got cakes, rainbows, dark side green lanterns, cobras, firecrackers, more cobras, cock awaken shells, crazy 4-inch hitters. I love family packs, jungles, hollow lanterns, crazy hitters. DPs, these are watered down in my opinion, but they still hit. They don't hit as loud, but they hit. They still do their car alarm check, so it's valid. Our Crocs. My first time having these, so I'm gonna do a demo on these for sure, so you guys can check it out. But yeah, hot cocks, and then you have dark sides. Crazy hitters, best salute cans of this year, 2022. And these little hitters, crazy hitters. So this is my full stash. Let me know what you guys think. Have a wonderful 4th. Stay safe. Burn your whole block down. Stay safe, but not too safe. And keep burning pyros until next year, or maybe I'll do some pickups. I don't know. But definitely a lot of demos coming soon. Stay safe, pyro, and have a good 4th.